the Nissan X-Trail was one of the first crossovers launched worldwide in 2000. Photos are currently being leaked online prior to the launch of the 4th generation model. Next generation Nissan X-Trail photos have been leaked prior to the launch on social media platforms. The new model will be launched in China for the first time and will be premiered in the world in April 2021. The crossover is positioned between the Xterra and Pathfinder. Taking style clues from the current Nissan SUV lineup, the new X-Trail gets a more aggressive front end with a prominent V-shaped grille. There is a new headlamp with a sharper design and LED DRL, a new LED fog lamp housing, a wider air intake, a redesigned bumper with new skid plate to give the crossover a bolder presence. The side profile gets blacked out wheel arches and redesigned alloy wheels, side body claddings, roof rails, and a panoramic sunroof. Coming to the rear, the new X-Trail gets a roof-mounted spoiler and scooped windshield, a new wraparound LED tail light, a redesigned rear bumper, and an updated boot construction. From the exterior to the interior, the 2021 Nissan X-Trail features a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster, an all-around view camera, wireless charging, and multifunctionality. Steering wheel, updated surface trim, dashboard, and center console have also been redesigned. In China, the Nissan X-Trail is equipped with a 1.5-litre 4-pot turbocharged petrol engine with maximum output and torque of 205 PS and 300 Nm respectively, combined with a CVT automatic transmission. The standard model will have front-wheel drive layout, while the all-wheel drive system will be offered as an option.